Northeast State Singi Nupigi Oiba Digital Literacy amadi Online Safety Program Digital Sakti Northeast ngasi Governor Dr. Najma Tulana Imphal da hokdokre. Revenue Department gi Thongmi Singh na chumba thabak khaktamak tawbiu MLA Minister na chingba Achau Sang Singh na haiba wa tavi ganu madugidamak Revenue Minister na lepkani haina karam shang haikre. Soil test ningthina tauraba matungda darkar leiba har hapiu Laumi Singh na soil health card paibiu haina Agriculture Department ge Director PH Rajendra na appeal tauropi. Amasung gen nganu paktak na hatiba sagi chap chaba hayeng fawgi manungda khangbangam lagani haukiba nong manini da thaudog asi yamna hanthare haina Forest Department gi maikai dagi fongtorakli. Impact News ni Prime Time Manipuri News Bulletin dai khaidem jentazin ahudi pungja si fawgi morba pausing mayam da pizari. Northeast State Singi Nupigi Oiba Digital Literacy amadi Online Safety Program amangasi Governor Dr. Najma Tulana Imphal da hokdokre. Manipur State ki Internet Connectivity fagatnaba Central Government amadi National Commission for Women na pukning changna hotnafam thui haina Governor na appeal tawki. North AOC the Labour Hotel Imphal the Pangtokiba Thoramadu the Governor na hai Digital Literacy Program Hogdok Lagasu Internet Connectivity Fangdrabadi Kanaba Lairoi State Asigoina Internet Connectivity Yamna Sothari Ngasi Hogdok Liba Digital Literacy Program State Asida Ladiba Mipum Mioi Maru Oina Nupi Singh the Kanaba Kaya Piragani Haina Governor na Fongdoki Ngasigi Thoramadu the Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen National Commission for Women ge Chairperson Rekha Sharma India and Southeast Asia Policy Program ki Manager Shruti Mohe Cyber Peace Foundation ki President Captain Vinit Kumar Yaun Expert Kayana Sarkyaki Thoramadu National Commission for Women's Cyber Peace Foundation amadi Facebook na Sinduna Pangtokpani.
The whole problem which I face in Manipur is the connectivity, because we don't get a lot of broadway signals over here. But I'm sure it must be difficult for the people. Now, as we used to say, the world is on our palm. Because with these modern, intelligent telephones, the whole world is on our palm. You just, everything which you don't want to, you don't need a teacher to tell you, you just go to the Google. You can get anything and everything over the Google. Now, these are the very, very positive use of digitalization and digital literacy. Now,
International Day of Persons with Disabilities 2018 ga mari lainana chatliba tha sigi haukiba tarik ahumdagi Tera Primary School da chatharakpa taruk suba Winter Disabled Mela ngasi loisinkhre. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Able Persons Manipur da sinduna chatharakliba disabled sing na sajaba pothok sing tagi oiba mela si loisinbagi thoram the National Award for Outstanding Creative Adult Persons with Disabilities fanglakraba M Sumati bu achamba khudol tamduna pukning thawatki. Loina na pangthokliba mela adu da sarukya kiba sing da certificate sing su yenthoki. Thoramadu da CF and PD Minister Karam Shamna Manipur da ladiba disabled sing gi loop sing machoi ladiba si amatto oina punsin bana disabled sing gi thabak paikhatpada mai pakpo oigani haike.
Differently able persons in say I normal life to ladiba sing sina angamba level mo bumating pangaga ako society is the mo hingbagi rice piga da manena sarkar da madi praja da thong thiliba minister si ai chwamane ako Manipur da ladiba MLA humphuna magi kendra da sarkar ngai da na angamba mating pang jeba moi bu hingan jeba moi hingan bai je ako samaj sibu ako na takta pukhat pane ama khaki oina organization ama khak tawraga Unda Manipur gi oina wa tanabada aikoi ga tanabada yam kanaba laigani madugi maram laigani.
Revenue Department ki makhada thabak tawriba singna achumba thabak sing khaktamak tawbiu MLA Minister na chingba Achau Sang Singh na haiba wa taganu madugi damak Revenue Minister na lepkani haina Revenue Minister Karam Sham na hai. DC Imphal West Complex ta laiba Kuranganayani Hold the Pangthokhiba Thoramada Minister na Wafamasi Fongdokibani, Minister na Fongdokibada, Revenue Department si Mianga Yam na Naknaba Mari Lainaba Department ni Adubu, Matam Chana Tabak Loisin Dabagi, Wakat Kaya Lakliba si Department si da Tabak Tauriba Sing na Wakat si Lakta na Bakot na Bio, Amadi, Tabak Tauriba Sing na Masamasagi Wakalonda, Miamgi Tabak Tauningbagi Itil Yaw na di Department si Chakot Pangamloy Haiki.
Kanamu Minister MLN Hire Sudata Bill, right thing, Achumba Tabako, Maduka Tabu and Wantopio, Nui of the Lake. Revenue Minister of Minister MLA Ausile, I saw the revenue winning of the Vita Dala. Madam Dimasikana totally ruined. Transfer person the Kananta interfere for Virano Montrinos or Chumba Pabata Viro, and no other Mayam Nasi Wari Lobio and Irate with your letter, Mayam, the local bio. Vote the Moy Medicine from one of the Sana, one Hivanina, lot of pressure of Salavina, we come on there. I know transfer was in the Pesa, Sana Targadi, knowing the local of the Pesa, Prasad email. Aduna Prasad, Pisa, local Changia, and Nanaba. I know the Pesa, and the Pesa, any policy. Adu interest of what Toriba, I know the Karigi somewhere across my arm, Malali, my arms in the Torn
Manipur Professor Ilangbam Dinamanina Laikidabada, Cine Writers and Playwriters Forum Manipur na Tadropa Cherolamada Awaba Fongtorkli. Malim Sinbatung na Pangtok na Bagong ngasi Manipur su Agriculture Department na Sindon World Soil Day ki Thoram Pangtok Ray. Sa Zentong da Leba Directorate Asigi Conference Hall da Pangtok kiba Thoram adada Agriculture Director PH Razendrana Soil Tasting Tina Tauraba Matung da Matau Taba Har Kaktamak Hapiyu Amadi Laumi Sing na Tangay Fadana Soil Health Card Paibiyu Haidi. Chingi mafam sing da jum cultivation amadi poppy thabana laibak laihau da manghalakliba si yenglaga chingi mafam sing da alternative method oina soyabin amadi chuzak thanaba thaurang paikhatlagani hairi loinana laurok loiraga lemna taduna leiriba charu sing asi compose onthoknaba agriculture minister na union agricultural minister dagi ayab launaba su kanna hotnari haina director na makhataki
Ahmed soil testing to the Har Sijina Binusin. Project C Koi the ongoing scheme C Mission Organic Values and Development Co was scheme Mamakoi North State 2015 the Prime Minister launched out Nakoi Hore Hariba Organic Farming Scheme. Although Atopak owner the Nebadam Hargi demands Hengale among the Karasida in Tangazabasid. Masiam Live activity Hajage. Maruin was soil Yam can be importance not only a belly importance people are electric. Soil degradation Jumia, Zooms did a abandon Zoom in the reclaim the single holder, things is Yaro, Madam Khaled Potavase. Masaki Zoom may target Masiki practices some continuously sang a livelihood in Equina, since active tea was the thing is to pilot them in the Rogasu. Carito Yagaki, Habiki, been some of tea was in Matam Yore, Saru may have most of the Koi, Saruzi, Shashagi, Pilch the Koi, Om Torkan, the composed semi practice with Tobi.
Thobal District ke Manung Chanba Kairen Bikhokta Paksan Tharamba Ganja Pambi ngasi Thobal District Police amasung Narcotics and Border Affairs ke apunba kangbu amana yantatuna manghan kre. Mafam adugi yumthong kharada Tharamba Ganja Pambi sing adu Thobal gi SP na pau pirakpadagi kangba ngamlokibani hairi. Thobal District ke Additional SP Soivam Sajidanandana luchingba kangbu aduna mafam aduda changsinduna yumgi inkol sing da Tharamba Ganja Pambi sing adu yantatuna manghan ke. Taret Suba State Level Nupi Lal Ning Sing Lam Jail December Taragani Thoigi Ayupung Taruk Tagi Nupi Lal Ning Sing Kubam Dagi Lam Tharaga Singzamai Supermarket Lam Tungpam Oiduna Pangthok Lagani Haine State Level Nupi Lal Ning Sing Lam Jail Organizing Committee gi Chairol Amana Khangalakli Nupi Lal Ning Sing Lam Jail Asi Chahi Kanglup Ahum Thokna Pangthokani Loinana Lam Jail Asi da Saruk Yagada Bas Sing na December Nipan Fawbugi Manungda Form Amasung Isagi Aadhaar Card ki copy Sing Pisinaba Chairol Asina Makatari Masagi chahi taraga mathoi khakta ngairi bi nupi macha amagi ikai khumnaba manghanbada chenaba mioi ahpa chairak piu haina langol ning thau leikai da langol apunba nupi lupna sinduna ngasi wakat mifam phangkre mifam aduga mari leinana langol apunba nupi lup ki secretary Sangitana hai thangadagi haujikna langol ning thau leikai da leiba oinam tombana leikai asida leibi nupi macha amabu ikai khumnaba manghanbagi thawong asi lup asina hakchina lawi Manipur Legak na wathok asida chenet ba miyo asi akba chera pigadabani haina sumhak na makhatana phongdorki
Chahi trama thoi khakta ngai riba nupi macha amubu natabali chalamba tomba haiba nupa je ahak pa sayak pi haningi maroi na ma sida chena riba mama je ma nupa ji ki mama je si ne ba koina miyam na kano ahak pa sayak pi pa mi se aduga loina na langon da mu hana le handa ba chahi trama thoi khakta ngai riba nupi macha amubu natabali chalamba to
Kiliba transmitter si hongdok hongjin tawgadaba maramna branch asigi makhada puriba yairipok andro wangjing kakching na chingba mafam singda hayeng December taruki ayuk pung nipan dagi nungtil pung mari fawba signal piba ngamloi hairi masigi damak viewers singna waru bidanaba Impact TV management gi maikai dagi khanglakli Imphal West District ki Sekmaida Manipur Police Commando ga khut thokna bani haiba thongdokta lalhobani chingna ba nupa ma sokle anina fare Thongdogasi ngasi nuktil pung mari makai taba matamda Sekmai Police Station gi manung chana labor Sekmai Nong Thonban gas bottling plant manakta thokibani Thongdogodu da soklaba nupa adu Kangpokpi District ki Faileng Khuldagi Phau Goglen Singson chahi kunga taruk apokpa thangthillen ni chingi lalholub utlagi kader oigani haina chingnari ba miyoi asidagi 9mm pistol amusu fagat ki hairi soklaba Fawulen hauzik rims da laikatnari thongdok thokfamdagi fangba paw da Imphal West Commando na akaknaba paw ama fangbadagi gas bottling plant manakta leiba yum amada thibuhum gi thabak chathanaba changsilubada khut adu thoknarakibani Yumasiki Yumbu Angom Pulo Chahi Yankhay amadi Kangpokpi District ki Failan Khuldagi Joseph Singson Chahi Kuntraga Nipan apokpa leikidraba Shehlal Thongdok Thokfamdagi Commando gi team aduna fagat kibaga loinana wahang pahong chathari Thongdok Thokfamda makhataba thibuhum gi thabak sing hausi chathari Matang size the break am logzage break imatungda technical intensive training program gi makhada Manipur gi nursing chahi manga Japan da train taurugani haibagi paw madi Manipurum sung malingi tungan ba ipaw sing pudur lakchage Impact News permit eng tadun lebi Manipur gi nursing chahi manga Japan da train taugadori hiramasiga mari leinana Japan da gi miyoi manga na saba khongbu manga si lamfel pat leiba Government Nursing College da laktuna college asigi mahiroi singa interaction taukre Technical Intensive Training Program ki makhada Manipur gi nursing da train taurugadoriba siga mari leinana lakliba mihut manga dudi Japan Association of Functional Recovery Care and Power Rehabilitation ki President Professor Takahito Takyuchi Miyosigi Secretary Professor Akami Okazima Certified FRC Instructor Yoichi Wakinaga Masaki Uchio ki CEO of MBA Amasung Yasunori Yahat ki CEO of Next Sharings CO NSDC ni numit nini ki khongchatta Imphal da lakliba khongbu asibo luchingliba International University of Health and Welfare ge professor su oiliba Takahito Takyuchi na phongdokhibada Technical Intensive Training Program gi makha da India gi Northeast ki manung da leiriba nursing tongan ba lam sing da training pina bagi lakpani hairi
Functional recovery care New care, yes. Japanese,
technology.
Yes. ここの看護の学生を日本に招いて勉強してもらって新しい技術を習得してもう一度マニプールに返すというそういうことのためです。
It is a technique that has been developed by the professor, and it is a unique way of giving care to old people. It cures dementia and it cures bedridden people. It helps them become self-recovering. So that's why it is called functional recovery.
College of Nursing RIMS ki BSc first year tamlibi mahiroi single lamp lightning amasung oat taking thoram ngasi RIMS Hospital da leiba Jubilee Hall da pangthokre thoram is the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ki Assistant Director General Nursing Dr. Rati Balachandran na nurse haiba sinfam asi yamna lemjaningai oiba amasung kathokpana mangzil thaba sinfam ni haiki kodong thiba thokdok kaya thokliba Manipur gumba state ta nursing na kathokpaga loinana thabak tawbagi tangai fadaba lei hairi thoramasigi sarugam oina nursing college asigi afaba mahiri singda mana mathum su yen thoki
Nursing is dynamic and challenging profession, and warm greetings are there from the Ministry of Health, Government of India Nursing Division. And across the world, Nursing is recognized as the cost-effective solution for achieving universal health coverage, and you have opted that profession as a career for you. So I congratulate you and your parents for opting this.
Imphal Ladiba Wildlife Institute of India gi carnivores biologists amasung camera trapped specialist oiba scientists ani na hayeng faw gi manungda yen nganu paktakna na hatlibas gi chapchaba ma khangba ngamlagani hairi Sensithong the Labour Forest Department, the Paumi Singa Unabada, Chief Conservator of Forest Wildlife, Anurag Bajpai na hai, Haukiba Nong Manini Sida Yenganu Hatlambagi Togdog Asi Yamna Hantare, Nasigi Oina, Bisnupur, Taubal, Imphal East, Amadi Imphal West, Yenganu Amani Hatlambagi case, Natan Atopa case like they. Amadi Ngasi Churchanpur District Yum the Loiba Yen Ani Hatlambagi Togdoka Mari Lainana Yen Mapudagi Fangba report ki Matung ina Togdok Udu Yum the Loiba Huina Jakibani Hairi. Paumi Singa Unabadu the Saryakiba Chief Conservator of Forest T1 Mahendra Pratap na Fongdorak Padangasi forward Fangba finding Singi Matung ina Yen Nganu Haliba Sasi Huigumba Sa Makal Amana Oigani. Hui Singna Ingbadagi Masa Sagatnabal Hotnabada Yen Nganu gi intestine Chingba Hogaidu na Hatpagi Tawongasi Canine Family gi Machat Oigali Haina Fongdorki. Maramaduna Lamlaki Mara Lejadaba Sa Sing Maram Chadana Miam na Hatok Piganu Hainasu Apil Tarokli.
People are having the panic or fear psychosis about these kind of animals where fruit bats are there. Such kind of animals, they should not have any fear because these fruit bats eat fruits only. They are not the carnivore.
Camera trap tegi fangi basing so. Ada mostly ngarang so gini ucek hibu tune ko. Yumdi yok taba mapugi dioi taba. Kanau gumba gi hui adi mapun di masakang taba mayam amma koi na camera duri ufang ini. Hayeng di fasana kangani. Karigin warga ngasi camera du collect ore yamba. Toro penina koi na muk data analysis ong changi neko. Adi certain conclusion of the pork kado penina. Huzik pog dudi koi na worry sa jaba dudi huzik takpiri bdo. Huzik ki stray dog no ikani hai bdo. Adom da point hoy.
English Ani Taraga Tarukta Pangto Kiba Manipur Police ki Constable Lawbagi recruitment ga result Atumatamda Haidoktrabadi English Ani Taraga Mapanda Pangtoko Deriba MP election the BJP ki candidate sing support Tauroi Haina JC All Manipur DPC completed re-recruitment candidates of Police Constable Mel 2016 ke Jayant Singh batch ki Joint Secretary Maibam Romesna Fondorkli. Wafam Singh asi Manipur Press Club ta Pangto Kiba Paung gi mifam amada mahak na makata na hai English ni Taraga Tarukte State Cabinet ki mifam famduna recruitment adu Pangto Kibani adubu laingak na matang kuina haidok taba sina maram oirga candidate kaya chahi hendok pai yaure atu matamda result asi haidok taba targadi MP election asi BJP ki candidate amata mating pang taba haina warep laure hairi
2013 base haidok ni tori basida hai 2016 base asiju ko sharuk yan biu ekoi ozik koi hai ba koi DPC ki candidate singsu yam boloine S bar oirabani masida maibu gomena koi tabi do targadi koi democratic o mongda koi makhan makha kya ki khonu sang jagani adugo lakadoriba 2019 gi MP election sida koi gi BJP ki candidate khuding makta hai ba koi gi guardian sing sung hai ba koi 2016 base ki candidate sing gi ba ke digi koi BJP ki candidate umata koi sakolo haina koi moto ni yanare
Congress Committee MPCC ki Wangangloi case Joy Kishan asi Constitution amasung Assembly ki ruling munna khangdaba amadi devet tauba haitaba MLA ni haina BJP Manipur Pradesh ki Wangangloi CSP Joina karemna khare Joy Kishan ga mafam amatam amatada hekta hiram amada debate tauba ngamgani hairi Kanchipur da leiba BJP Manipur Pradesh ki temporary officer Paumi Singh unabada CSP Joina hai Joy Kishan na pauche Singh da BJP ki Wangangloi oina lairiba CSP Joy asi masana masabu BJP gi Wangangloi amani haizaba misak ama oina uhanba haibasi yamna nokningba fawi MLA ama oiraga oidaba ngangba amadi usit thawoidaba wafam fongdokba haibasi laibak thibani hairi
2015 da ma disqualified tawai se constitution khangba MLA mana pa tohon gadam nate public money bari tingale by election tawada Masichu ma constitution namadi laidiba election law mayam se khomgaw na bagi mai laraba khudam ni handak mana BJP da debate tawna sena yam toina hai MLA digi ta da se kari da tadri no rank tak ra natraga university ki professor intellectual college oza sing di maga debate tong bada mangon dei tai khanbra mana MLA digi ta da bena min tori se kana buno si akhoi gi fajana definition pe biro araga joycation ga BJP ga akhoi gi debate tong ba akhoi magi challenge do akhoi accept we
Kurai Thawan Thaba Leikai Fauduna Cheliba Kongba Turel Takiba Premi Kongda IFCD gi makha kilometer nipan lom sangna chaliba canal asi niom chumna quality maintain tauna chandre haina Kurai gi MLA El Susindro na hairi gasi canal asi gi fibam yengsiladuna MLA na Paumi Singh da high engineer contractor yauna canal asi chanbada hakthengna na daita lauriba singi mathakta lainga ki maikai dagi action lokotpam thoi Quality maintain taugdabata natana canal asi masagi laifam thokpa amadi laufam thokpa changda leiramdabada su MLA na nungnang pa phungdokhi
Kurai Kendra gi oina di khwaidagi laibak thiba haiba tare nasigi tawramiba thodo si yengchalubada inu ujarakpada Ministry of Donor dagi thabak ani Kendra gi oina khoi hapsabani adaida priority basis ta Premi Khong jina khwaidagi darka le na khoina khanjaraga Premi Khong si last year gi da khoi sanction piraktana masi Premi Khong select tawne du department jinga tawriba contractor jinjiga loktunaraga personal interest khra yawbu male maramdi sigi makha da tawribo si bamboo piling pira matungda asidagi mathakta mana phaklong ama thare adu mathakta heta haibani quality yaudana su tawre adui mathakta sigi estimate sigi items sing de piri basiga sida tawrami basiga de totally different aduna masida pairiba engineers sing aduga masida pairiba contractors sing se moi si chapchaba action lokopam thoi tawriba posida is da khoi inquiry tawbam thoi
ekhoina masikari genu yam thenmalli lumanle na ekhoina masi hair matana moin hayaba DPR saraga masi thaba matamda masi gise then na tha hin mar moraga ekhoina masi tawwe adabne na hayam
Uripokta Leba Ibuton Sana Girls Higher Secondary School ki annual social freshers meet cum prize distribution ki thoram ngasi pangthokret ngasi pangthoki ba thoram adu scholastic student union election da nauna mai paklaba secretary sing su wasak lauki loina scholasina piba tungan ba meritorious award sing su mahiroi sing da yathoki Hozi ngasi no magi sanabagi pau Thasi ki taraga mga fawba chathagadaba mga raksuba arang league football tournament ngasi Ukrul town gi Tangkhul Nagalong ground da hogdokre Tangkhul furup ki director arang haina khangnaba hornbill hairiba uchek makhalasi mami samlakpadagi uchek makhalasi bo kannanaba amsung sanaroi singbo yokhatnaba miyam da paujel pibo oina sana bagi kumhai asi chahi khudingi pangthoktuna lakhibani ngasi ki thoramadu da Northeast Region Financial Services Limited NERFS Elgi Managing Director James Kashungna Sports amadi culture na saktak liba lamdam asida ehenba afaba sanore kaya putoktuna henna mating leiba kunai ama ohenba tangai fate haiki Impact TV Sangai Express amasung Di Aja Delhi Pauchen and media partner oriba tournament asida punna team taraga tarukna sarokyari
Number 2, VP Ningam. Jersey number 7, Kapetso Megrusu. Jersey number 17, Sorin M. Bashum.
State level da, national level da, international level figure amathorabado, ekoi uba pame, young generation, shige sport habiche, Pithivi itihas da. Yamna Fajakraba, Yud Amagi life the Mapun Pava, sport Ama Tambikre, Aduna Mayam se, Hatsam Pava Missing Sina, Sigi Sports, Yopi se, Hena Mayam to interest Lopi se, Hajabani, it has a development like Tavama Pamsidi, Nungai Basi Watpani, Climate Suyam Nungai, Sanere View Suyam Paze, Adubo, Equator Amaka Wale, development in Lake Day, Aduna, development like Travutarandi. Income su leroy adu itar de koi kari to batai ekoi legend amadan manare hairaga ekoi laiba 2019 machine de ekoi miga thoga ekoi thabak to se
Ahanba Under 15 Manipur Youth League Football Tournament LYDA Cycle amadi UTL WO Uripokani Mai Pakring asi Kumalampak Artificial Turf Ground Sanakiba Youth League asi home Super Match ta LYDA Cycle na NMSA Uyumpokpu Panjil ani Sinoda Mighty Piki Mari Super Match na MSA Ukrul amasung CMFA Tawal anina Match asigi apiba matamda Panjil amamam chanaduna Match asi draw taki Chatharakliba Youth League asigi ngasi Sanakiba mga Super Match ta LWO Uripok na MRTFC Cycle bu Panjil ani amada Mighty Piki Max Sports Academy Manipur na Sinduna Chathariba Football League asida Under 15 Boys ki team tarit na sarukyari hayeng makataba league match ahum sanaragani Nakalam Romda ngasi ground asida sanakiba ahanba Under 13 Boys Manipur Youth League Football Tournament SAK Yumnam Kunaw amasung MSA Team A Ukrul ani mai pakre ngasi sanakiba league asigi ani suba match ta SAK Yumnam Kunaw na MRTFC Cycle bu yamna lakchana Panjil taragamari sino da mighty bpk ahum suba match ta na MSA Team A Ukrul na SA Team B Ukrul bu Panjil taret amada mighty bp bungaki Under 13 Boys ki legacy da Team Marina sarukyari hayeng nungtil legacy ki makha taba league match ani sanaragani Manipur Central Jail Infal the Labour Prisoners Singi Oina Ahanba Annual Sports Meet English ni Taraganipan ngarang luisin kreng ngarang luisin bagi thoram da Sports Meet asida pangthokiba tungan ba events sing da athoi hen ta khraba sing da prize sing yan thoki handa Ahanba Oina pangthokliba Annual Sports Meet asida Manipur Central Jail Infal gi prisoner punna chamaga taraga tare na sarukyaki Namin Marini chumna chathagada Kasa Koso Football Tournament ngarang Senapati District ki Mau ki manung channa leiba Pudunamai Village ki playground da hawdokre tournament asida punna football team tarana sarukyari Arabida bulletin asigi headlines amuhana mayam da thamjake Northeast States gi nupi singi oiba digital literacy amadi online safety program Digital Shakti Northeast ngasi Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah na Imphal da hawdokre Revenue Department gi Thomi Singh na achumba thabak khaktamak tawbiu MLA Minister na chingba achawsang Singh na haiba wa tabiganu madugi damak Revenue Minister na lepkani haina karam sham na hai Soil test ningthina tauraba matungda darkar leiba har hapiu Lomi Singh na soil health card paibiu haina Agriculture Department ge Director PS Rajendra na appeal tawraki Amasong yen nganu paktak na hatliba sigi chapchaba hayeng fawbagi manungda khangba ngamlagani haukiba nongmanini da tawdok asi yamna hanthare haina Forest Department gi maitei gi tawdok